How to become a janitor here in Canada. Stay with me until the end of this video because I'm going to discuss you how to apply to become a janitor here in Canada, how much is the salary, and what are the qualifications. This is very important for you guys, especially if you're a new immigrant here in Canada. Oh my goodness, it's Star Wars. Hello everyone again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Buyucan, and on today's video, I will share you information about janitorial jobs here in Canada. So when we are talking about janitorial jobs, it's either you work in the hospitals as a janitor, in a nursing home, schools, malls, residential area, nursing home, or in a private home, or in an office building. So what I share with you guys is just based on my own experience because I experienced to work in people's home. I went to do cleaning job for their home. And this is one way of becoming a permanent resident here in Canada as well. If you are the aspirant immigrants looking for a job like janitor jobs here in Canada, they have some big companies hiring people from overseas. Janitorial jobs here in Canada is a part of a business here. I'm in my bathroom and I'm going to do my cleaning anyway. When you're a Filipino, you know what's the use of this, right? So when you are working in people's home, the owner of the house tell you what area you are going to clean, mostly in the kitchen area or in the bathroom. The salary of a janitor here in Canada is all depends on the province where you live, okay? So if in case you live in Alberta, the minimum wage in Alberta is $15 per hour. So if you are going to work in a big companies or some companies, they hire janitorial jobs. They pay either minimum wage $15 or $16. It all depends on your own work experience, okay? So if in case you work on your own and you want to start a cleaning job or a cleaning business in a people's home, like a residential home, this is what you're going to do, okay? Going to make a deal for the price of the homeowner. So let's say you have to ask how many hours you are going to work. Let's say you want to work like 4 hours, 5 hours, or 6 hours. So you need to ask how much they have to pay you. And you have to remember this. You need to use your own time wisely when you are doing the cleaning, especially in a residential area or in any office building. Time wisely is very important. If the owner of the house like your performance, she or he will keep you and she make a referral for you. I asked one of my friend here in Calgary, I asked how much money she make per hour for her cleaning business in a residential area, and she said between $25 to $35. So that's a good money, right? Okay, so if you are inside Canada, you can find a janitorial job through online as well, or you can find Facebook marketplace or in KGG. In case you are outside Canada, you need to go to the online as well, go to the job bank or indeed.ca, or you can go and find a recruitment agencies, because I believe, I don't know why I always mention to you guys recruitment agencies, because recruitment agencies, this is their job to find a job overseas for people to bring here in Canada. So please don't ask me what kind of agency again. So please, whatever country you are, please do some research of your own country, because I believe in every country there's always a recruitment agencies hiring overseas to bring here in Canada. This is the reason why a lot of people in Canada, because of the recruitment agencies, and I'm one of them, okay? So please don't ask me because I have no idea. I'm just only sharing this information because I know some people came to Canada as a janitor. These agencies hire them to come here in Canada. I'm just be positive. It's not because of this pandemic. Why am I sharing this information with you guys? So that's what, oh God. Anyway, guys, if in case you are inside Canada and you want this type of job, a janitorial jobs, and you can also ask your friends, like some referrals from your friends, or go through the online KGG or Facebook marketplace, okay? It's easier for us because we are inside Canada, right? And especially when you go to KGG, you directly talk to the owner of the house, and that's what I did when I badly needed a job. Some people, they make this business, and this is a very good business here in Canada. To be honest, tell you guys, I have some friends, they're doing all this business in big buildings, residential and office buildings, and they're making good money for this, you know. So that's why I love to share this information with you guys, especially aspirant immigrants, newcomers here in this country. This is the job we can do. to survive in Canada, okay? Because this is a very good money. The qualifications to become a janitor, you don't need to have a degree. You can be a high school graduate as long as you are very efficient and trustworthy person. In a nursing home or in hospitals, janitorial jobs, they will pay you straight to your bank account. If you are going to work in a home, like in a private home, mostly they pay cash. Talking about Canadian, not just only for white people, okay? They just say Canadian because, let's say, if I'm a Filipino Canadian, Indian Canadian, Chinese Canadian, African Canadian, like, so in general, we call them Canadian, okay? Not just because they are white people, they are the Canadian. No, let's just, it depends on the employer who hire you to work here in Canada as a janitor. Most of the homeowner, they are not in their house during the time when you do the cleaning. So they will give you the instruction what area in their home you're going to clean up, and you make the deal if you are going to bring the product for the cleaning in their home, or they will provide the cleaning materials. So if they are going to pay you cash, and if they are not in their home, they will just instruct you, I will put the money cash here in the table, and you just it's up to you, just take it when you finish your job. And you are going to work for 4 hours, so it's all up to you how to manage, and that's how the people trust you here in Canada. Just my own experience, that's why I'm sharing with you guys. If in case you want to build your cleaning business here in Canada, you need to be efficient and trustworthy, and you need to be honest on your job, so clients like you and they will refer you to other customers. So that's how you build up clients if you want to grow your business here in Canada. So if you're the type of person who love to do arranging stuff or cleaning, then why not? Yeah, this is an easy job actually, because you can use a vacuum. If you work in a condo units or in apartment units, mostly you do is do the vacuuming on the hallways, whatever floor. And the most important is you have to clean up the main door, especially on winter time, because it's always wet. So that's the most important. You're going to clean up the main entrance, and you do the vacuuming on the hallway. And if you are working in an office building, usually you do dusting, cleaning the washroom, vacuuming. If you are going to work in an office building, the company where you're working, they're the one who provide the cleaning material. But if you are going to work on your own, you have to provide your own as well. And if you are working in the hospitals, disinfecting is very important nowadays, especially at this time of pandemic. So anyway guys, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again for my next video. And I hope I give you some tips and ideas about janitorial jobs here in Canada, and I'll see you for my next video, and God bless you, and bye bye.